Hello and welcome back to another session, guys. First of all, Jai Hind, all of you. This is Amardeep and Harry. Be welcome to all of you. Now, tell me, is everything fine? Say yes or no. Guys, first of all, I explain today why important, why this session is most important. Just because you, when you, not only you, I also. So I use we. When we take this session, then automatically our mind improve. Yes, everybody's mind improve, no doubt. Okay, so listen to it very carefully and observe all important points. I slowly cover it within only 10 minutes so that you can proper understood, you can understood properly. Okay, now let's go to discuss about this. First I talk about entertainment ways. Okay, do you have any idea about Vijay? Vijay Thalapi. See this. Vijay's son, Jason Sanjay, fair night. He almost had a police complaint filed against him. Oh bhai sahab. Jason Sanjay, son of Tamil Nadu CM, and actor Vijay Thalpi नाम है उसका, values his bond with his sister Divya Sasa. They stay connected through video calls and she gave honest feedback on his directorial debut. He recently shared that he feels a responsibility to protect the family name. He also recalled a time when his mother catch him speaking out at night. My mom is like a spy, he said during an interview. Oh, bhai sahab. Say this. I think you got the point. What I am saying. Okay. Now let's go to talk about football. Sunil Chhetri urged Jamshedpur FC to reverse decision to pull out of ISL. Sunil Chhetri, India's record gold score goal scorer and former captain, has urged Jamshedpur FC's team management to reverse their decision to pull out of the Indian Super League ISL, Indian Super League IPL, Indian Primary League ISL, Indian Super League. The club who had won the ISL sealed in the 2021/22 season announced on Friday that it will not be part of the league from the next season onwards. Okay, got it. Now next, art and culture. I covered this. Art and culture. Would you like to discuss? Okay. Under 10 minutes, I mean, under 10 seconds, I just observe it. Soundus mournful. What is name, guys? I not cover this. Explained. Data center emerge atop in PE investment share. How this impacts India's reality sector. Realty sector, private equity investors are increasingly turning to data centers in India's real estate sector, with 38% of investments in the first half of 2026 going towards this sector. The growing demand for digital infrastructure and potential for high returns are driving this turn despite challenges in land and power ability? Oh, why, sir? Have you any idea regarding this? See this health. The pressure cooker part, most people forget to clean and why it matters. Regularly cleaning the rubber gasket in a pressure cooker is circular to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and mold. Ayurvedic nutritionist Sweta Shah advises washing it after every use and giving it a thorough clean once a week. Neglecting proper cleaning can result in food contamination and health problems, especially for those with weakened immunity. Joho Saridhar Bamboo says AI is slowing IT hiring was of job challenges in India. Joho founder Sridhar Sridhar Babu said India's biggest economy challenge is creating enough jobs for its young population. What is this? NASA astronaut share never before seen Milky Way galaxy. Photo taken from ISS Cupola. NASA astronaut Don Petty share one of the most remarkable images of the Milky Way. That is the photos shared by this guy. Okay, which was possible with a specialized camera setup and advice star tracking technology. Oh, hi, sir. Now see this, a race against extinction. Chhattisgarh's bid to save its last wild buffaloes. The Chhattisgarh Forest Department plans to translocate wild buffaloes from Assam to the state's wildlife sections centuries in hopes of boosting the dabbling population of the state animal. The Aztec wild buffalo, the largest wild moving in the world, is classified as endangered and is found mostly in Assam. The department has taken measures to protect the species. Oh, cricket. I cover. Jasprit Bumrah said to miss Sri Lanka test with knee injury. Oh my god. Why visual? Why Vishal Dadlani turned vegetarian 8/19 after eating only meat for years. Renowned composer and singer Vishal Daladli made a sudden shift to a vegetarian lifestyle 30 years ago, giving up smoking as well. This decision was driven by his desire to not be controlled by anything. Clinical nutritionist CV Aishwarya said that transition to a vegetarian diet after being a hardcore non-vegetarian can be challenging. Oh. Cap Fear Review Army Adani share things up in Sadie's remark of Martin uh, Scoris Taylors. See this: 5 killed, 41 missing after ferry catch fire off Indonesia, Madura Island. Madura Island. 5 people died and 41 are missing after a ferry catch fire off Indonesia, Madura Island. The ferry was carrying 27 passengers, carrying 271 passengers. The ferry was carrying carrying 271 passengers and crew members and was traveling from Surabaya to Makassar. So far 5 225 people have been rescued and search and rescue operations are ongoing. The cause of the fire is still unknown. Madura Island is located off the coast of Java. Uh, Reddy CEO says Google AI overview yet to make positive impact. Reddy CEO stay Hoffman took aim at AI overviews. Google AI power features that automatically summarize searches result for most user query as publisher and others site owners connect with falling search referral traffic amid a fundamental AI driven transformation of traditional web search. Huffman said that the feature lack benefit for the larger web ecosystem. This guy, what is this? This is very crazy. See this. Okay, this is what happens inside the nose nostril when you pick your nose. Frequently, nose picking, although often seen as a harmless habit, can lead to irritation, and infected in the delicate lining of the nose. Repeated picking can even change the shape of the nose strill over time. Dr. Nayak Sethi and NET surgery uh, warms up risks of transforming bacteria from hand into nose and suggested suffer waves to manage dryness that triggers noise picking. Oh my god. See this. Modis. He gave my daughter a new life. He gave my daughter a new life. Mother of girl who abused PM Modi. The mother of the girl who illegally abused PM Modi at a protest expressed gratitude for his forgiveness and apology for her daughter's mistake. She requested the withdrawal of the FIR and urged PM Modi to banned social media for children under 20. The girl also apology claiming she was influenced by others. uh, you mean to say this? Mm. So guys, how much today's session? Telling me on comment section. Now I think I end of this session. I am going to end this session. Okay. So talk to you next session next day. See this last article. Indians in China rise anti-India content. Visa waves in embassy open house. Indian diasporas in China rise issue of anti-India content on social media, issued work visa and limited improvement for spouses at the first open house. Indian embassy outrage. Ambassador Vikram Dashwani and tracking by arranging. So now I am going to end this session. So telling me on comment section how is today's session. Telling me on comment on. Okay friends. Bye bye friends. Jai Hind guys. Jai Hind friends.